So good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So vanakkam, 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 vanakkam. எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா? How are you doing, my dear Chintos? I hope everybody is doing great. I welcome you all for yet another cracking session. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது part 2 of the complex number. Sorry, not complex number, parabola. Okay, part 2 of the parabola. Parabola main important ஆன concepts. ஓகேவா? So basic ல இருந்து till advanced level. Okay, everything detail point to point நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறேடா. So please stay tuned. So this class will be till 11:30 11:35 டா. ஓகேவா? So till 11:30 11:35, yes. So those who have backlogs கண்டிப்பா அவருக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்டா. So பேசிக்ல இருந்து ஸ்கிராச்ல இருந்து till advanced level I'm going to discuss. ஓகேவா? எக்ஸாம்க்கு என்ன தேவையோ அதுதான் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறேன்டா. தேவை எல்லாமே unnecessary-ஆன கான்செப்ட் நான் discuss பண்ண மாட்டேடா. So this is going to be really very useful for everybody out there. Even class level students கண்டிப்பா வாட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். No doubt in that. And one more thing என்னன்னா, see, before getting into that, I have been telling you in every class. So நம்மளோட JEE Vaathi சேனல்ல, வேதாந்து JEE Vaathi சேனல்ல ஃப்ரீ கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்குடா. சார் அந்த கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ், ஃப்ரீ கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ் நேம் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா JEE Unfiltered ஃப்ரீ கிராஷ் கோர்ஸ். ஓகேவா? அதுக்கு என்ரோல் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. எப்படின்னா, see, just click on the link and straight away it will take you guys to this platform da. You can see the JEE Unfiltered. So Shiva sir and Savanand sir and myself, so we three are handling this batch. ஓகேவா? And இது enroll பண்றதுக்கு you just need to click on buy now. It is absolutely for free of cost da. So super ana news இல்லையா? So please click on that and then enroll for this, and you have all the beautiful opportunities. Beautiful what do you say, options. Okay, so you have free test, free mock test you can give, and 24/7 doubt facility by AI. Okay, உனக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட், ஏதாவது ஒரு கான்செப்ட் புரியலனா அது ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து அப்லோட் பண்ணி you can get a detailed version of that particular question. Okay va? And yes, next batch is also coming soon. Please be ready for that. And JEE Unfiltered for 0 rupees da. So please guys. And now one more thing, basically you have WhatsApp, and if you have any doubt, you can just connect with us in WhatsApp as well. And free community Telegram group link கண்டிப்பா இங்க தான் இருக்குடா. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸோட நோட்ஸ் வேணும்னா, இந்த கிளாஸோட நோட்ஸ் வேணும்னா டெலிகிராம்ல தான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுவேடா. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் go for the Telegram group as well. And one more thing, in the video கீழே descriptionல you have I think they have not put over here da. Yes, என்னடா இது எங்கடா, yes, there is one scholarship test as well da, MBSAT. நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும்டா, மெகா வேதாந்து ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் அட்மிட்டட் டெஸ்ட். ஓகேவா? So we have a lot of options for the test. So we have a lot of benefits if you give an attempt for the test. So please give an attempt da. So அதுக்கு டீடைல்ஸ் வேணும்னா, இதுக்கு கீழே லிங்க் இருக்கும்டா. that is not given over here. Wait, எங்கடா இருக்கு? I think that is not given over here. previous வீடியோல இருந்துச்சுடா பாரு guys. WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, Instagram channel, Snapchat, everything இருக்குடா. போய் click பண்ணி you can join the Telegram channel from this. And yes, yeah, so that's it. So now without any delay, let's get in the show. ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா my dear Chintos? Are you all ready my dear Chintos? ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம்டா, என்னடா இது வர மாட்டேங்குது. I need to read your chart so that I firstly I should draw this. Okay, good evening guys. Yes, definitely class 11th பசங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான கிளாஸ் இது. Okay, but they're asking whether it is useful for 11th or not. Yes, Ras Supreme Ji. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. Okay. This is definitely useful for class 11 students also, da. Yes. Yes, Pratiksha. Hi, hi, hi. Srijit, link, enna link da, enna link. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get into the show now. Guys, this is useful for 11th as well, da. Please listen. Okay, guys. Yes. So in the last class, what did we discuss? Basically, what is conic is nothing but what are the parts of conics? What is the second degree equation of conic? Okay, wow. And Jadagam of parabola discuss paniachida, parametric coordinates, shifted parabola nana, and a few basic questions also we have discussed. Now in a key nama paaka the locus related problems da. Okay, wow. Yes, 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 Atvika. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, wow. Srijit, அதுக்கு கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் லிங்க் இருக்குடா, அதை கிளிக் பண்ணா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இட் வில் டேக் யூ ஸ்ரீஜித். சரியா? ஓகே ஜெய்டெட். சரியா? ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? அரே ஜெய்டெட், டோன்ட் ஸ்பாம் மேன். இட்ஸ் தேர். ஓகே. கொஞ்சம் ஃபோக்கஸ் டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்குடா. I think this is super. Okay guys, हाँ चलो locus related problems sir. Locus related problems in parabola. Locus related problems in parabola sir. Locus problems in parabola எப்படி இருக்கும் சார்? See locus என்ன தெரியும்டா நம்மளுக்கு. locusக்கு ஒரு செப்பரேட்டான வீடியோ நான் போட்டாச்சு ஆல்ரெடி. ஓகேவா சார்? இப்போ அந்த locus பேஸ் பண்ணி parabola what kind of question they will ask. ஓகேவா? Yes. So the locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point this and a point on the parabola this internal in the ratio. Okay va sir, or point on the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Okay va, and this point in the point there is another point over here on the parabola. Okay va, that point divides the line segment in 1:2 ratio. Sir locus nena sir, locus theriyalena idhukku munadi concept I taught da. You need to just understand that. Okay, it's okay if you don't know, it is totally fine, but now listen what I am saying. Okay wow. Okay, so for everybody listen the class, we have 0, 1 point. Listen the class everyone. Let's say this is 0, in a point of -1, right? 0, -1 point, and there is another point on the parabola. I don't know what is that point. Okay, we don't know that another point, right? X square is equal to 4ay parabola. What parabola is this? X square is equal to 4ay parabola. இந்த மாதிரி parabola. சரியா? நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் தெரியும்டா. இந்த பாயிண்ட் தெரியும். Another point is on the parabola it seems. ஓகேவா? another point தெரியாது. இப்போ ஒரு பாயிண்ட், ஒரு parabola-க்கு மேல பாயிண்ட் தெரியலனா என்ன பண்ண சொன்னாரு சுரேஷ் சார்? parametric coordinates எடுத்து சொன்னாரு. So parametric coordinates என்ன சார்? சார் இந்த parabola-க்கு 280, 80 square பாரு. 280, 80 square. A value na 1. அப்போ 2t, t square. The last class I have discussed this. Sir, another point is what basically 2t, t square. So there is one point. Let's say this there is another point 0, 1, and the point on the parabola is this. Let me say this point name is P. Let me say this point is Q. Okay, wow. This QP line segment getting divided by some point called, okay wow, some point called any point is a PQR in the point R. In the R point oda locus na find out பண்ணிட்டிருக்கேடா. ஓகேவா? இந்த R point oda locus na find out பண்ணிட்டிருக்கேடா. இந்த point P sir, இந்த point Q sir. ஓகேவா? இந்த point P and இந்த point Q. The Q point, the P point, R point oda locus find out பண்ணனும். This is getting divided in what ratio da? 2:1 ratio sir. So 2:1 ratio. Pare sir, now can I apply mx2 plus nx1? Internal division. H is equal to what da? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Correct or not? 100% clear sir. Okay wow. Sorry, 1:2. 2. Oh, 2:1 kadiyara. 1:2 only. My bad. 1:2 da. 1:2. I wrote 2:1 there. That is wrong. Okay. Instead of 1:2. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. What is k basically? my2 plus ny1 mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Next my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Purida. What is t value from this? Guys, other than h comma k, நம்மளுக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு வேரியபிள் இருந்தா அந்த வேரியபிள் delete பண்ணணும், eliminate பண்ணணும். But other than h comma k, we have another variable called t. அந்த t eliminate பண்றதுக்கு எப்படி பண்றது பாரு? What we need to do? இந்த t value என்ன? 3h by 2 sir. ஓகேவா? இந்த t value 2h by 2. அச்சா 3h by 2. இந்த t value I'm putting over here. Where? Here. இந்த 3 value I'm putting back over here. Sir, k is equal to 9h square by 4 minus 2 by 3. புரியுதா? இந்த t value இதில் போட்டால் நமக்கு என்ன வந்துடும் பாரு? Sir, 3k is equal to 9h square minus 8. 9h square minus 8. புரியுதா? 3k, very good sir. 9h square divided by 4 sir. இப்போ இது simplify பண்ண நமக்கு எப்படி வரும்டா பாரு? Simplify பண்ணி பாரு. Sir, 12k is equal to 9h square minus 8. ஓகேவா? இந்த final stepல நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்டா? Final stepல நீ என்ன பண்ணணும் பாரு? Just everybody listen the class. Cross multiply பண்ணி I'm writing over here. எப்படி? Everybody listen. Sir, 12k is equal to 9h square minus 8. புரியுதா? So replace h with x and k with y. Last stepல என்ன பண்ணணும்? We need to replace h with x, k with y. அப்படி replace பண்ண எப்படி வரும் பாரு? 9x square minus 12y is equal to 8. So this is the answer. This is what the answer for the question. புரியுதா? புரியுதாரா? Chintu. Option A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Okay, va. Tell me that Chintu. How we got t value? T value எப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா பாரு. இந்த t value எப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா பாரு. இந்த 3 into h by 2 t I'm subjecting here. T value isolate பண்ண எப்படி வந்துட்டு இருக்குடா? சார், இந்த t value isolate பண்ண நமக்கு இந்த t value isolate பண்ண எப்படி வந்துட்டு இருக்கு பாரு. This is what the t value பாரு. t 3h by 2. இந்த t value திருப்பி இத போட்டா நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துருச்சுடா. இப்போ கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 12k is equal to 9h square minus 8. So h place la x, k place la y போட்டா நமக்கு இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. This is what your required locus. Okay va? Locus தெரியலனா please go watch the locus related problems. Locus க்கு I have done separate video. 1 hour video I have done da. JEE Vaathi channel la இருக்கு. So போய் பார்த்து yes. அது பார்த்தா நமக்கு locusனா என்னன்னு புரியும்டா. சரியா? Shall we go forward? Very good sir. Very good. Okay. Will you be able to do the other questions? H comma இப்போ h place la x, k place la y போடணும்டா. That is a rule. That is how we do locus related problems. Okay va? Sir, next question பாருடா. இந்த பாரு, next question பாரு. இது 2021 JEE question. இது 2021 JEE question. இது எப்படி பண்ணனும் பாரு. Sir, there is a locus of the midpoint. Locus of the midpoint. என்னடா இது? Locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the focus of the parabola this to moving point on the parabola to the moving point of the parabola is another parabola whose directrix is dash. Okay va? Super ana question da. The locus of the midpoint of the parabola joining this. Okay va? See, we need to take one point. Listen the class. What is the parabola given to us? Be careful here. Super question da. Very good question. Listen. Okay. Either parabola, correct? We don't know what is the point of the parabola. Let us take this point as 80 square comma 280. Okay va? ஒரு parabola மேல point தெரியலனா இந்த point assume பண்ணனும் எப்பவுமே. இது எப்படி assume பண்ணனும் சார்? இது எப்படி சார்னா parametric coordinates. இந்த லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல parametric coordinates எப்படி assume பண்றதை டீச் பண்ணியாச்சுடா. போய் பாரு. அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? இது y square is equal 4ax parabola. Now there is one line segment called this. இவரோட ஓகேவா? There is a line segment called this. This is focus a comma 0. This line segment oda midpoint பாரு. This line segment oda midpoint என்ன இது? ஓகேவா? இது இவரோட midpoint என்ன? Let's say h comma k. And the midpoint oda locus we are finding. The midpoint na this and this will be divided into equal pieces. midpoint என்னடா basically this and this will be divided into equal pieces. M is midpoint. Midpoint ஓட locus நான் find out பண்ணனும்டா பாரு. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? H is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 at square plus a by 2. Okay வா? K is equal to what? 2at plus 0 by 2 sir. Okay வா? இப்போ 2 cancel பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வரும்டா பாரு? T is equal to K divided by A. T is equal to K by A. புரியுதா? இப்போ இந்த T வேல்யூ இதுல போட்டா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும் அவ்வளவுதான். T வேல்யூ இதுல போட்டா நமக்கு பாராபோலாவோட ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துரும் பாரு. T வேல்யூ போடு. சாரி A into T square means K square by A square plus A divided by 2. ஓகேவா? Are you getting the point or not? Tell me guys. Very good. சார் இப்போ இது சால்வ் பண்ணா எப்படி வரும் பாரு. A வேல்யூ கேன்சல் ஆயிரும்டா. Okay. Sir H is equal to what? K square plus A into A square by 2A. Okay va? Sir இப்போ 2AH is equal to K square plus A square. எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? So you need to replace H with X, K with Y அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. Replace H with X, K with Y. சார் நமக்கு ஒரு பாராபோலா வந்துருவா வராதா பாரு. சார் ஸ்கூல்ல ட்ரிகோனோமெட்ரி எடுத்துருக்காங்க சார். So what happened? Okay va? 2ax இது பாராபோலாடா. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? 100% yes sir. இப்போ நமக்கு பாராபோலா ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி வந்துரும் பாரு. Sir 2ax, first you do one thing, 2ah minus a square is equal to k square. Replace h with x, k with y டா. அப்படி replace பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும்? 2ax minus a square is equal to y square. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? இப்போ இதுல இருந்து பாராபோலா ஈக்குவேஷன் how do you write? Tell me. Taking a common டா. If I take 2a common, sorry 2a common எடுக்கலாமா? 2a common எடுத்தா நமக்கு x minus a by 2 check, x minus a by 2 is equal to y square. This is the parabola equation da. This is the parabola equation. Everybody look at the board. Are you clear guys? This is the parabola equation. I am going in upward direction from this step to this step, this step to this step. This is parabola da. Y square is equal to 4ax mari irukka illaya? So what is the directrix equation? Tell me. Y square is equal to 4x means what is the directrix equation? Tell me. Clear? What is the directrix equation? Tell me. They are asking us to find out the directrix equation. What is the directrix equation? Who is this? Yes. So enna sir, enna chapter sa idu? Are parabola da. Sir, why did they give x square is equal to 4y? They will give y square is equal to 4x man. Why did they give means what should I say? Okay, this is the parabola equation. This is shifted parabola. What is this? This is the shifted parabola. Shifted parabola. Sir, what is the directrix of this parabola? What is the directrix of this parabola? That is what we need to see. What is the directrix of this parabola, Pari? Everybody listen to the class. Directrix means you need to compare with this. Compare, Pari. Sir, y square is equal to 2a times of x minus a by 2, right? Okay, wow. Sir, you compare the parabola with capital Y square is equal to 4 into capital A into x. Okay, wow. I'm writing the parabola like this. Suresh sir yesterday shifted parabola in neata teach பண்ணிட்டார்டா. அந்த neata yes, அந்த கான்செப்ட் நீங்க neata பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு புரியும்டா இது. Okay, listen the class. So what is a value? Tell me what is capital A value? 2a, sorry 4a means what? Oh wait, 4a is equal to 2a. Okay va, appo capital A enada? Capital A enada? Capital A is what basically? A by 2. Capital A is equal to what basically? Namalukku 4ax means what? This, what is the directrix of this parabola? Tell me. What is the directrix of this parabola? So 4a is equal to 2a. Then a value is going to be what? Capital A is equal to a by 2. Capital A is equal to what? A by 2. Correct or not? Eppadi a by 2 na paru. 4a is equal to 2a mari. Okay va? 4a is equal to, so a value na namalukku a by 2. Okay va, capital A is what this. Okay va, in the parabola or directrix என்ன, what is the directrix? In the parabola or directrix என்ன, capital X is equal to minus capital A. Yes or no da? Sir, capital X na, what is capital X? Capital X is nothing but small x minus 2 here. Small x minus a by 2 is equal to minus a by 2. Appo idu cancel ayiruda. So x is equal to 0 is the directrix equation. This is what my directrix. So B for balle balle is the right answer. Any doubts? Sir, one small question, studying 11th, write JEE exam. You can't write JEE exam by studying, man. After 12th only you can write. Wait. Sana ipo purila. Wait, I'll explain this again. Sir, one question, sir. I joined the crash course. It is completely free, sir. We want to pay her some money. No, Srijit, it is totally free of cost. You don't have to pay any rupees. Okay, wow, listen to the class, everybody. B for balle balle is the right answer. Guys, shifted parabola yaararku theriyum avrukku da puriyunda pari. Idi shifted parabola mari. Capital Y square is equal to 4 capital A into X. Capital X na small x minus a by 2. புரியுதா? இந்த parabola-ஓட 4a பிளேஸ்ல என்ன இருக்குடா? 2a இருக்கு. capital A என்ன a by 2 தானா? இந்த 4a இந்த கிட்ட கம்பேர் பண்ண 2a இருக்குடா. So 4a is equal to 2a na, capital A is small a by 2. So இந்த parabola-ஓட directrix என்ன? capital X is equal to minus a. சுரேஷ் சார் நேத்து ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னாரு. இந்த parabola standard parabola-ஓட directrix equation என்ன? X is equal to minus a. இப்போ இந்த parabola வந்து capital lettersல இருக்கு. So capital X is equal to minus a. Capital X na enna, x minus a by 2, minus a na enna, minus a by 2. A by 2 cancel ஆயிரும். நமக்கு x value 0 வந்துரும். X value 0 is the directrix. This is very good question. This is thunder ke mandar janda ke baba question. What is that? Thunder ke mandar janda ke baba question. Sir, enna sir adi? Janda ke baba na, it's a very very good question. Okay va? Any doubts? Shall we go forward to the next question? Next polama. Sir, you are hiding the board. Okay. Shall we go forward to the next question? Okay. Okay. Yes. Listen to the class. This is one JEE advanced question. This is homework. This is homework for you. Okay. This is also Janda ke baba question. This is homework for you. Try this question. This is homework. This is homework. Simple question. Same logic. X comma y be any point in the parabola. This P be the point which divides the line segment this to this in the ratio 1:3. Then the locus of P enna. Very means very simple da. Very means very very simple. Okay. So y square is equal to 4ax parabola given. 4ax parabola. This is the parabola. This is the parabola. This is what basically 8 square comma 280. 8 square of 280. Okay, well, this is 0 comma 0. Correct or not? This is 0 comma 0 then yes. 0 comma 0. This is dividing this line segment in what ratio? This ratio. Okay, wow. This ratio. Okay, wow. P x comma y be any point on the parabola this. Okay, wow. Divides 0 comma 0 and x comma y in what ratio? 1:3 ratio. 1:3 ratio oda internal division formula apply பண்ணனும் அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, wow. Yes or no? The P point is 1:3 ratio. 1:3. P h comma k. Find out this, you will get what answer. You see that. Okay, wow. I think option C for Chintu should come. C for Chintu is the right answer. The homework for you all. This homework da. நீங்க பண்ணுவீங்களா? Same logic apply பண்ணனும். Internal division formula apply பண்ணி locus find out பண்ணனும். சரியா? Tell me guys. அரே Chintu சொல்றா. என்னடா ஆச்சு? Make it fast. Okay, sir. We'll go forward. Next concept, very important. Very important. Chord of the parabola. Very important. Chord of the parabola. So, chord of the parabola is sir basically. What do you mean by chord of the parabola? Are tell me, chord of the Srijit, what happens, Srijit? Yes. Sir, chord of the parabola eppadi irukona pari. Listen the class. Your simple point apari. Let's say this point is A point. Okay. Can you see the diagram? You can't see this. So let me do one thing. This is A point. The point order name is 8t1 square comma 2at1. Okay, well, this is the parabola da. if this is the parabola and this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, if I join any 2 points on the parabola, this is chorda. Let's say the B point and AT2 square comma 2AT2, AT2 square comma 2AT2, AT2 square comma 2AT2. Okay, B point is what basically AT2 square comma 2AT2. This is the focus. We can't say focus, but see, this is not focus here. Focus kadiyadu. Any 2 points on the parabola join panna or chord vandrunda. What is the equation? Chord line segment joining 2 points on the curve. Any 2 points join panna namalku or chord vandrunda. Adu chord enna idi AB chord. Ipo equation of AB eppadi kandupidikkanum sir? Equation of AB venuna pari. Equation of AB enna pananum? 2 point form apply பண்ணிக்கலாமா? 2 point form பாரு, simple. Y minus பாரு, y minus y1. y1 என்ன சார்? 2AT1. ஓகேவா? ஸ்லோப் என்ன? y2 minus y1. 2AT2 minus 2AT1 divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. AT2 square comma AT1 square into x minus x1. x1 இது ஓகேவா? இது சால்வ் பண்ண என்ன சவுந்துரும் பாரு, சால்வ் பண்ணி பாரு. இது சால்வ் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு y minus, yes, that's it. If you simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. You can take a common in the numerator, denominator and do it. Okay வா? சார் நீங்க பண்ணுங்க சார். சார் you look at the body view. y minus 2AT1, 2a common எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு t2 minus t1 வந்துரும்டா. Divided by what sir? Divided by what sir? a common எடுத்தா t2 plus t1 into t2 minus t1 into x minus AT1 square. இப்போ இங்க பாருடா, இங்க பாருடா. இப்போ இது கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? a கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். இப்போ a கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா என்ன சார் வரும்? சார் y minus 2AT1 is equal to t1 plus t2 into x minus AT1 square. This is how we find out chord equation of any parabola. Check. Very simple. Very, very simple draw. Check. What did I do? I didn't do anything. I assumed 2 points. A point வந்து AT1 square comma 2AT1. B point வந்து AT2 square comma 2AT2. இப்போ 2 point form use பண்ண நம்மளுக்கு chord equation வராதா? I mean வருமா வராதா? Tell me. Tell me guys. Very simple. Shall I go forward? Clear? Yes sir. Next concept. இது என்னடா? chord equation. இது chord. Next concept என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா focal length. Sir, focal length என்ன sir? Yes. What is focal length sir? What is focal length? Yes, my handwriting will be very neat man. Janaki ji, my handwriting obviously will be neat. On the writing pad we can't write properly, but here I write very neatly. Sir, focal length is very important again, Pari. Focal length is very, very important. This is also very important, Pari. This is also very, very important. Sir, focal length enna basically length of any point on the parabola from focus. Sir, enna sir adu? Look at the board everyone. Let me draw the diagram here, Pari. Okay, let me draw the diagram here. Idor parabola, correct? Idor parabola. Sir, if I take any point on the parabola, let us say AT1 square comma 2AT1. Okay va? AT1 square comma 2AT1. This is going to be what sir? This is directrix sir. This is the directrix. Another directrix. Okay, what is this? Is x-axis. What is this? Y-axis. Okay, let me say this is x is equal to what? Minus a, directrix, right? Is x is equal to minus a, directrix equation. Purida. This is the point. Focal length enna. Ipo in the point, any point on the parabola you take da, and the point or the distance from the focus. This focus is what? A, 0. Correct? Ipo namalukku the PS distance is going to be what? In the PS distance is going to be what? In the PS distance da namalukku என்னடா? Focal length. But PS sir, P க்கு S க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிற distance தான் focal length நீங்க சொல்றீங்க சார். இப்போ P to S distance find out பண்ணா focal length வருமா? வராது. Okay, varum, but I'm saying the distance edukadingada. Don't take distance here. So never ever apply distance formula. Point P ku S ku distance edukadinga. Don't take that. But ஒரு chintu logic apply பண்ணனும். என்ன பண்ணனும்? Chintu logic. Chintu logic என்ன சார்? இது directrix. இது directrix. இது directrix இல்லையா? இப்போ இது என்னன்னா directrix இது M. Sir, இப்போ point P2 is for everyone look at the board. Sir, we know one point. என்ன point we know? Listen the class. Okay, wow. Check here. PS is equal to PM always. In the PS distance is equal to PM distance or not? So, on the distance apply panna. Here focal length find out பண்றதுக்கு what we need to do? PS is equal to PM தானா? Yes or no? PS is equal to PM as per the parabola definition. அப்போ PS வேணும்னா நம்மளுக்கு PM என்னடா? PM என்ன? Point P to M distance how much? Point P to M distance how much பாரு? நம்மளுக்கு point P to M distance the PM distance. PM distance means what? இது. Check இதுனா origin here. இதுனா origin டா. இது origin. Okay வா? இது to இது how much here? PM means what? A plus 81 square. Guys, here A plus A 2A சொல்லாதீங்கடா பாரு. What is this distance? பாரு, everybody look at the board. This is A. பாரு, everybody look at the board. Everyone. I think I should draw this. கொஞ்சம் வெயிட்ரா. Okay, பாரு, PS is equal to PM. So now are you getting the point or not? Tell me here. இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு guys, this length is what basically? This is 81 square பாரு. So PS is equal to PM. S is what basically? Tell me. What is S? A comma 0. Sir, PM means what? A plus 81 square பண்ணிக்கலாமா? A plus 81 square தான பண்ணனும். Here PS எனக்கு PS வேணும். PM distance நான் என்ன பாரு? This is basically 81 square. So 81 square. You can take 81 square and chuma 80 square also works. 80 square also works. Sir, I don't want 81 square comma 281 also. I don't want to write 81 square. I chuma write 80 square comma 280. That also works. Tell me. Sir, PM means what? Tell me here. A. In that is A plus 81 square. I mean 80 square. This is what you need to do. Simple logic. Length is nothing but length of line joining of a point on the parabola from the focus. Because PS is what basically PM. PM means what basically? In the distance, total distance. Everybody listen. In the distance na. In the distance is A and origin to in the point of the distance is 80 square per 81 square. What is the x length of this? X length and 81 square. Don't write A. That is wrong. A plus A 2A and podakudadu. That is wrong. Okay, this is what we need to do for focal length. Very simple, very important. Very good. Next point bolama. Yes sir. Sir, next point enna pathina we talk about focal chord. Very important again. Focal chord na enna sir adam. Focal chord na enna sir adam. Focal chord is also very very important. Listen to the class. Sir, focal chord is a chord which passes through the focus. Let's say this point is what basically 81 square. This point, let me say it as 81 square comma 281. Another point now, let's say A T2 square comma 2A T2. Another point. This is the chord which passes through the focus and this is the parabola. This is the parabola. Okay, this is the y-axis. This is x-axis. Purida? Yes or no? Now tell me here, what is the chord equation? This is super important. Chord passing through the focus is what called as focal chord. Sir, focal chord or equation eppadi sir eludano? Focal chord or equation eppadi sir eludano pari? Simple logic means simple logic. Suresh sir oru vishayam sonnaru. Enna vishayam? Inga pari. So what is the equation of chord? Tell me. What is the equation of chord? Tell me. This is the equation of the chord. Y minus 2a t1. Y minus 2a t1 is equal to 2y t1 plus t2 into x minus 81 square. This is the chord equation which passes through the focus. நம்மளுக்கு இது chord equation டா. இது chord equation. Chord equation na இது. இப்போ இந்த chord equation focus கிட்ட பாஸ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போ focus ஓட coordinates இதுல போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு focal chord condition வந்துருமா வராதா? வரும் சார். சார் இந்த equation let me write over there. என்னது? Y minus என்னது? Y minus we know that equation of chord joining joining 2 points on the parabola. What is that? Okay, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to 2 divided by t1 plus t2 into x minus at1 square. Check, this was the formula we had. Okay, y minus 2at1 is equal to 2 by t1 plus t2 into x minus at1 square. Super, sir. This is the chord which passes through the focus now. This is passing through the focus. Passing through the focus means what? A comma 0, it is passing through. A comma 0 potena vanduda. This is passing through a comma 0 na. Y place la 0, x place la. This is super important, I'm telling you. Please listen the class carefully, ra Chintu. Everybody look at the board, ra Chintu. Yes, sir. Sir, 281. Very good, sir. Everybody. Hello. Chintu babu. 2 cancel, sir. Ipo a cancel paniklama. Taking a common and cancelling, sir. Re. Chintu, sir. This t1, sir, is equal to 1 divided by t1 plus t2, sir. 1 minus t1 square, sir. 1 minus t1 square. Super. Yes, sir. No. This simplify panna namalku eppadi vandrum parra. Minus t1 square minus t1 t2 is equal to 1 minus t1 square. இப்போ பாரு சிம்பிளா கேன்சல் பண்ணி பாரு. சிம்பிள் இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடுமா? வந்துருச்சு, அவ்வளவுதான். Look at the board, Chintu. t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. This is the super duper 1000 times important condition. This is the super duper important condition for focal chord. Focal chord oda condition enna idu? Enada 5-star condition. Enada 5-star condition. Sir, any Vidyalabha students here? Yes, there are many. Sir, the reason why we are not using distance formula for focal length, அப்படி பண்ண அப்புறம் calculation become lengthy. ஜானகி, the calculation become lengthy மா, clumsy ஆன calculation வந்துரும். நம்மளுக்கு distance formula போடக்கூடாது. distance formula போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு concept, calculation நீட்டா வராது. இப்போ இந்த definition யூஸ் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு நீட்டா, இந்த definition யூஸ் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு PS is equal to PM ன்னு தெரியும் இல்லையா? definition தெரிஞ்சப்போ ஏன் distance formula apply பண்ணணும்? PS is equal to PM னா இந்த length plus இந்த length, அவ்வளவுதான். A plus AT square, simple. A distance போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு A distance போடணும். A complex, calculation complex-ஆ பண்ணணும். complex-ஆ பண்ணாதீங்கடா. make it as simple as possible. ரெடியா? very good, sir. very good. ஓகேவா? focal chord equation வந்துருச்சு எல்லாருக்கும்? equation of focal chord வந்துருச்சா? yes, sir. equation of focal chord வந்துருச்சா? சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா guys, length of focal chord. guys, what did we discuss? chord na enna, focal length na enna? guys, focal length focal distance ரெண்டுமே சேம் டா. focal length இங்க பாரு, இந்த focal length or focal distance, sometimes they say it as focal distance. அதையும் கரெக்ட் தான், focal length கரெக்ட் தான், both are same. okay, இப்போ focal chord na chord which passes through focus. சும்மா கார்ட்னா என்ன? எனி ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் ஜாயின் பண்ண அது கார்டு. ஃபோக்கல் கார்டுனா கார்டு பாசஸ் த்ரூ ஃபோக்கஸ், சிம்பிள். அந்த கார்டு which passes through focus ஓட கண்டிஷன் என்ன? t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. சூப்பர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சார் யார் சார் போலாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஓகே, எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ் சார். next guys, length of focal chord. இங்க பாரு, இந்த focal chord ஓட length, இந்த focal chord ஓட length என்ன? let's say this point is basically A point, இது point B point, இது என்ன? S. what is this? S. இது A comma 0, right? this is S point. okay வா, we need to find out what basically AB length. AB length எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? super important. listen the class, this is 1000 times important. இதுக்கு மேல நிறைய क्वेश्चंस கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. previous yearல A into T plus 1 by T whole square or 4A cos x square ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட் தான். ஓகேவா? நான் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணவா? சார் நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் இஸ் எலிப்ஸ் டா. நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் இஸ் எலிப்ஸ் ரா சிண்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் இஸ் எலிப்ஸ் ரா சிண்டு. ஓகேவா? பாரு everyone. சார் now I'll be doing something crazy listen the class. சார் this is basically what? one parabola. ஓகேவா? what is this? directrix equation. okay, நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்குடா பாரு. we have this one equation. what is P? which is at1 square equal to 81. AT1 AT1 square comma 2AT1. Okay, wow. Okay. You take this as AB, anything works. Anything works. You take this as AB or sir, why are you taking P, sir? You took AB, right? You take AB only, no problem. Then a B, which is AT2 square comma 2AT2. நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வேணும் இப்போ. சும்மா இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். What is this? What is this? Hara Hara Shambho 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 Mahadeva. Okay. Okay guys, listen the class. Okay, sir, this is basically focus, which is A comma 0. Sir, what I know here basically, this is x is equal to minus A. X is equal to minus A. Correct or not? Super, sir. Namalku, what we need here, focal length, focal chord means what? To find. What we need to find out basically, AB oda length we need to find out. AB oda length. AB length means what? AS plus SB. Check. AS plus SB we need to find out. AS is equal to what? AS is what? AS na focal length. Focal length. In the focal length is equal to this length. Everybody look at the board. Yes or no? What is this basically? Tell me. This is also one of the. This is also one of the focal distance. Sorry, are you getting the point? SB is also focal distance. I mean focal length. AS is one focal distance or focal length. SB is also one focal length. Okay, wow. Appo AS can I write it as AM da? Idi M. Okay, idi M dash. Keel M dash rekla. Okay, wow. What is this equation basically? Idana A only. So this x is equal to minus A length. Ivoda length and x is equal to minus A. Purida. In the distance this distance is basically A only. This distance is A, and everybody look at the board. In the distance what is this distance? 81 square. So this is going to be what? 81 square. Okay, wow. Sir, key away 82 square. 82 square. Okay, mele venuna. What is this length? What is this length? In the upper way, 81 square. This is 81 square. Purida? Ipo AS can be written as what? AS can be written as AM. AS can be written as AM. SB can be written as what? BM dash. Super, sir. AS is equal to AM da by using parabola definition. BS is equal to what? BM dash. Ipo AM means what? AM means what? A plus 81 square. Super, sir. Next, BM dash can be written as what? A plus 82 square. Wow. Listen to the class. Sir, what is this? This is 2A plus A common. T1 plus T2 whole square. Purida? T1 plus T2 whole square. Tell me. Purida? Or else you can take A common itself. You can take A common here and do it. Okay, wow. Sir, A common is the room. Listen the class. We can do like this. I can take A common. A common is the A common is the T square. Actually, I have a doubt here, sir. Sir, when we know this, listen the class. When we know this is a focal length, we know this. What do we know? A1, T1, T2 is equal to minus 1, right? Wait, I'll write that. Sir, A common is the T1 square plus 2 plus T2 square. Correct or not? Tell me. 2 times of A. I'm taking A common da. So, pari. A plus A, 2A. I'm taking A common na 2 undrum. Sir, we know that. Listen the class. We know that T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. We know that T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. Apo T1 place la T2 place la, can I write it as minus 1 by T1? Okay, wow. T2 place la minus 1 by T1 can I write? Yes, sir. Sir, ipo A into T1 square plus T plus 1 by T1 square. Okay, wow. What is the answer of this? Tell me. Isn't it T1 plus 1 by T1 what a whole square? Correct or not? Yes or no, my dear chintos? Yes or no, my dear chintos? Okay. A into T1 plus 1 by T1 whole square. This is what the length is. Sir, if the center is h comma k, suppose the parabola is in the first quadrant, but the directrix lying on the positive axis only, no sir, then the equation of directrix is positive or negative. But the directrix lying in the positive axis, that depends on the parabola, then the equation of direct, no. Listen, the parabola is opening towards the positive x-axis, then our directrix will be behind. So this length is a, upon this length, this equation is going to be what the directrix of this equation, x is equal to minus a. That's what I'm doing. Okay, wow. Sir, Parit, this is what the formula I got, a into T1 plus 1 by T1 whole square. Sir, why are you writing T1? You can write in terms of T1 at Chuma T also, no problem. Sir, why are you writing here T1 T2? Sir, if you write only Chuma this, the Parit, you can write only this. Check. In terms of T, oh wait. In terms of only T, you write, no problem. If I write this, what is the coordinate of this? A by T square comma minus 2A by T2. A by T square comma minus 2A by T. Okay. Okay, what is the B coordinates going to be? Tell me. B coordinates are what? Tell me. A by T square comma minus 2A by T. Eppadi sir? Are A T2 square comma 2A by, I mean A T2 square comma 2A T2 na T1 T2 is equal to minus 1 இல்லையா? இந்த T2 place la minus 1 by T1 போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி வந்துரும். புரியுதா? Okay, இப்படி எடுத்தாலும் correct தான், 100% correct, but I'm writing in terms of T because they have given the formula in terms of only T. We are writing in terms of T1. Both are correct, so don't worry. Okay, இப்போ பாரு, what is this? A plus AT square here. AT square. இதனடா A by T square. இது A by T square. A. இதனடா T1 1 by T1 square. அவ்வளவுதான். Plus 1 by T square. Okay, sir, what is this going to be directly? Directly, you tell me. Directly, this is the formula. A into T plus 1 by T whole square. That's it. Direct on a formula. That's part. This is the formula. Check. A T2 square comma 2A T2 can be written as A by T square comma minus 2A by T2. Minus 2A by T, sorry. Okay, வா புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும் guys? இந்த length இப்போ இர 1 க்கு இன்ன வேணா 1 இது 2 வேணா. Okay. இது A by T2 square only. இது A by T square. A by T square. இது AT square. புரியுதா? Yes or no? AS is equal to AM, BS is equal to BM dash. அது பண்ணா இது இப்படி வந்துருச்சு. சார் இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா எப்படி வந்துருச்சு சார்? பாரு. அந்த ஃபார்முலா எப்படி வந்துருச்சுன்னா பாரு. Listen the class. இது என்னடா theta. This is making some angle called theta with x axis. யாரா? AB is a focal chord. Focal chord is making some angle with x axis. What is that angle? Theta. Okay வா. சார் இப்போ அது theta எடுத்தா, இந்த theta எடுத்தா the AB ஓட length என்ன ஆயிரும்டா 4A cosec square theta. சார் எப்படி சார்? How do we prove that? How do you prove that? I'll tell you that. Now, அது prove பண்றதுக்கு we have one logic. என்ன logicனா, what is the slope of this? That tell me. What is the slope of this? Slope tan theta is equal to what here? Here tan theta is equal to slope of AS. Slope of AS is what? Tan theta. Can I say that? AS ஓட slope என்ன? Tan theta தானா? அப்போ tan theta formula apply பண்ண இது வராதா பாரு. Okay. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம்டா. I'll do one thing. I'll copy this slide. In the slide copy pen, I'll prove here itself. I copied this, so let me erase all this. Okay. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to slope of AS. What is tan theta? M. M means what? Are you right? Tan theta only. Chuma right tan theta. We need theta in terms of theta, na? So let us keep tan theta as it is. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2at by at square comma a. Okay va. Sir, ipo a common edutha enna varum? A common edutha a cancel sir. Okay va. And ipo enna vandrum pari. Tan theta is equal to 2t by t square minus 1. This is tan theta da. Okay. Now right angle triangle edutha namalukku right angle triangle par right angle triangle. This right angle triangle da. Tan theta enna opposite. This is 2t opposite by adjacent. Any doubts here? Tell me. Ha, very good Rade Babu. Ignite batch student Vandarda. T square minus 1. T square minus 1 pari. Ha, 2t. Sir, can I take common and cancel this? Can I take 2 common and cancel this? We need in terms of t. See, we need in terms of t plus 1 by t da. T plus 1 by t na pari kila t common edukalama. Appo t minus 1 by t vandrum. Okay, va t minus 1 by t vandrum. அப்போ இந்த டி கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். சார் இப்போ இங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா what I'm going to get me here? What I'm going to get? Opposite என்ன சும்மா t. So 2 by adjacent 1 by t. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆயிரும்? t plus 1 by t ஆயிரும் கண்டிப்பா. Guys, இது opposite, இது adjacent, hypotenuse t plus 1 by t ஆயிரும் பாரு கண்டிப்பா பாரு. Yes or no? Solve பண்ணி பாரு. t plus 1 by 2, t plus 1 by t will be your adjacent, sorry, hypotenuse. எப்படினா பாரு இவரோட ஸ்கொயர் வேணும்னா இவரோட ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் இவரோட ஸ்கொயர், இது ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் இது ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி இது வரும் கண்டிப்பா. சார் நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? cosec theta வேணும் பாரு. cosec theta means what? Hypotenuse by opposite. Opposite is what? 2. Okay வா சார் இப்போ கரெக்ட்டா பாரு 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta is what? t plus 1 by t. நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்டா? 4a cosec square theta வேணும். 4a cosec square theta என்ன வேணும்? 4 cosec square theta. 4 cosec square is squaring on both sides, right? 4 cosec square theta na t plus 1 by t square. Check. நம்மளுக்கு 4a cosec square. Check. 4a cosec square theta வேணும்னா இது பாரு. இந்த பிளேஸ்ல என்னடா? 4a cosec square theta na 4a cosec square theta na. I'm multiplying the a on both sides. If you multiply the a on both sides, you will be getting what? A into t plus 1 by t whole square. This is what the formula is going to be. Check. Purida 4a cosec square theta na a into t plus 1 by t. Both are same. We proved this. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Chintu ellarkum purida illiya? Sir, first tan theta na slope of AMS I found that and then got this cosec theta na idi. Then from that I wanted to find out this is equal to this, right? So 4a cosec square theta exactly came as this. So hence proved. So length of focal chord formula is this. Okay. Next or question solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா? ஒரு question solve பண்ணா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும் பாரு. Sir, what they have given here, listen the class carefully. One end of the focal chord of the parabola is this at 1,4, then length of the focal chord. Okay va? Yes, macros. We will do that also, macros, don't worry. Macros, we will do that also, don't worry. Okay, what they have given, y square is equal to 4a, 16x, right? So 4a is equal to 16. Appo a value na 4, sir. A value na, sir, 4. A value na 4. Okay, sir, length of focal chord, right? See, length of focal chord they are asking. This is the parabola. One end of the parabola is this. One end of the parabola is this. Okay, va. One end of the parabola is this. Point P is 1,4. But we know this as what? At square, 2at. A value is 4. Sir, 4t square, 8t. Okay, va. Sir, compare pani pari. Appo 8t is equal to 4a. Okay, va. T value na 1 by 2. T value na 1 by 2. Okay, va. T value na 1 by 2. Correct. We know that length of focal chord, right? This, let's say the Q. We know that PQ length. PQ length is equal to what? A into T plus 1 by T whole square. Sir, A sir 4A cosec square theta formula use பண்ண கூடாதுன்னா theta they have not given டா. So நம்மளுக்கு T value வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ T value வந்துருச்சு இந்த formula யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? A value தெரியும், T value தெரியும். Length of focal chord வந்துரும் அவ்வளவுதான். Sir A value என்ன 4, T value 1 by 2 plus இது 2. Okay, 4 into 2 plus half, 2 and half. 2 and half means what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 whole square. Sir, now 4 into 25 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 25 is the right answer. So 25. Option A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubt? எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சிச்சா இல்லையா? Tell me quickly. Guys, this is the question of 2019. 2024 லையும் வந்துருச்சுடா question. We have got the question. Any doubts? I hope everybody understood this. Hope everybody got this. Any doubt? 2024 also we got the question. Okay, next polama. 2024 also we got the question. 2024. Okay, next concept of position of a point with respect to the parabola. Guys, in the concept we have done in straight lines, circles also da. Position of a point with respect to circle enna. Okay va, the same concept na teach panna porida but with respect to parabola. Sir eppadi irukuna paru, position of a point with respect to parabola da paru. For example, idu or parabola da paru, idu or parabola. Let's say the parabola I'm taking. In the parabola ku point can be here on the parabola. The point can be outside like this. Are you getting the point or not? Okay, and the point can be inside also. Point can be anywhere on the parabola. Let's say this parabola name is y square is equal to 4ax. Super, sir. Sir, in the parabola name y square is equal to 4ax. Now tell me here, I want to talk about one point, PowerPoint. PowerPoint we discussed, right? PowerPoint enna sir? PowerPoint enna basically? PowerPoint enna guys? 1 minute da. Okay, guys, the same concept applies for all the three conics: parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Okay, wow. Let us take this as S. Let us S be y square is equal to 4ax. This is my S. This parabola is what of 4 y square is equal to 4x, right? What is S is going to be here? Y square minus 4ax. Y square minus 4ax. Are you getting the point? What is the point? Point parabola substitute panna namakku y1 square minus 4ax1. Okay va, namakku point oda coordinates are constant, correct ah? x1 comma y1. இப்போ y square is equal to 4ax ல அந்த பாயிண்ட் போட்டா நமக்கு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் மாதிரி ஒரு நம்பர் வந்துரும்டா. ஓகேவா? if s1 is greater than 0, if s1 is lesser than 0, if s1 is equal to 0, either three cases, then point lies outside of the parabola. Point lies outside of the parabola. Then point lies inside of the parabola. Inside of the parabola. C means parabola, parabola shape adi. Okay, va. Lies on the parabola. Okay, va. On the parabola. Okay, va. Hope everybody is understanding. S1 is less than, greater than 0 means outside, lesser than 0 means inside, equal to 0 means on the parabola. Guys, this concept is applicable for everybody. Okay, applicable for parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. For all the three chapters, this concept is applicable. Hope everybody is clear. Hello, Chintu. Yes or no? Yes, Chennai vlog. கண்டிப்பா எடுக்கலாம் சார். இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண 96% எடுக்கலாமா? 100% தாராளமா பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஈஸியா பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் கன்சிஸ்டென்ட்டா படிக்கணும்டா, டெய்லி படிக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் சார், ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க சார். சார் சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் சார், சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாரு சார், ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள்லாம் பாரு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், let's say one point they have given as 1,2. Okay, and the parabola is what? Y square is equal to 16x. Check whether this point lies inside the parabola or outside on the parabola. Check பண்ணனும். Okay வா. What is S here? S be this y square minus 16x. அப்போ S1 என்ன? இந்த பாயிண்ட் இதெல்லாம் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும், அவ்வளவுதான். 2 square minus 16 into 1. Sir, what is S1 basically? 4 minus 16. S1 is minus 12, which is lesser than 0. Okay, which is lesser than 0. Less than 0 means therefore point P1, 2 lies inside the parabola. Inside the parabola. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. என்னடா ஜோசப் ஜி, நிறைய லாங்குவேஜ் பேசலடா. தமிழ், இங்கிலீஷு, தெலுங்கு, ஹிந்தி, உருது, ஓகே, போஜ்பூரி. $97 வந்தாலும் வந்துரும்டா சென்னை. 96 வந்தாலும் வந்துரும்டா. ஓகேவா? 97 ஓகேவா? less than 0, so point inside the parabola. ஓகேவா? next, position of a point முடிஞ்சினா இப்போ position of a line with respect to the parabola. ஓகேவா? position கான்செப்ட் நேம் என்ன? position of a line with respect to parabola. Concept name is, or you can chuma say that position of a line with respect to parabola or line and parabola. Adiyum solikalam, both are correct. Okay va sir, eppadi sir? Listen the class, this is very very important. Listen, line and parabola enna sir? Basically pare sir, idu parabola. Line can be like this sir, same concept like we did in circle da. The line can be like this, the line can be like this, okay, or the line can even be like this. Okay sir, in the line name enna? Let's say y is equal to mx plus c line. What is this line name? Y is equal to mx plus c line. And what is this paraboloid equation? Paraboloid equation name enna? Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay va sir, ipo Kirti was please wait into okay sir, line and parabola they have given, right? So what we need to do now, we need, this is tangent basically. This is some line, this is some line, this is some tangent, and this is some secant. What is this? This secant is the tangent in line. Purida. Now condition of tangents I am finding. What I am finding now? I am finding condition of tangency. Condition of tangency. Condition of tangency. Sir, condition of tangency naina sir. Condition of tangency naina. Basically, we need to solve the point. We need to solve the line and parabola. Sir, y is mx plus c whole square is equal to 4ax. Squaring on both sides, I mean a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4ax. Either quadratic vandircha paru or quadratic than idi minus 2 sorry plus 2mc minus 4a into x plus c square is equal to 0. Okay va, இது ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 da. So இதுக்கு discriminant equal to 0 பண்ணனும்டா, because line touching the curve. இப்போ line touching the curve இங்க discriminant equal to 0. line இப்போ இந்த லைனோட கண்டிஷன் வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும், இந்த லைனோட கண்டிஷன் வேணும்னா சும்மா இதுக்கு d less than 0 பண்ணா வந்துரும், இதுக்கு d equal to 0 பண்ணா வந்துரும், இதுக்கு d greater than 0 பண்ணா வந்துரும், d greater than 0, இதுக்கு d equal to 0, d less than 0. Okay va, yes or no? Listen the class. Sir, now d is equal to 0 means b square. B square means what? 2mc minus 4. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, sir. Sir, 4m square c square plus 16a square minus 16amc minus 4m square c square is equal to 0. A square plus b square minus 2ab 416m. Yes or no? 100% clear. Now இப்போ இது கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, இது கேன்சல் ஆயிரும் பாரு, இது கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா, இது கேன்சல் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்னடா வந்துரும் பாரு, இது கேன்சல் பண்ண கண்டிஷன் என்னடா 16a square is equal to 16amc. இங்க பாரு 16 ushkak a ushkak. இப்போ என்னடா வந்துருச்சு, என்னடா வந்துருச்சு சொல்லுடா சீட்டு. c is equal to a by m. c is equal to a by m. வா அண்ணா வா பாரு, c is equal to a by m. எந்த பாராபோலாக்கு, இந்த பாராபோலாக்கு கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்சி என்ன, இந்த பாராபோலோட கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்சி என்னடா, c is equal to a by m. சூப்பரா, கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்சி என்ன, c is equal to a by m. Hope everybody is clear. Okay, yes or no da? Sir, இப்போ இந்த பாராபோலாக்கு இப்படி இருக்கு சார், இப்போ x square is equal to minus 4ax பாராபோலாக்கு எப்படி சார் வந்துரும்னா, சேம் ப்ரொசீஜர் பண்ணா நமக்கு ஒன் மோர் கண்டிஷன் வந்துரும். அப்போ x square is equal to 4ay பாராபோலாக்கு எப்படி சார் பண்ணனும்னா, சேம் லாஜிக் பண்ணா c வேல்யூ will be different. இப்போ y square is equal to minus 4ax பாராபோலாக்கு சேம் லாஜிக் அப்ளை பண்ணனும், சேம் ப்ரொசீஜர், எவ்ரிதிங் சேம். இந்த கண்டிஷன் will be கொஞ்சம் different in sign. அது என்ன சார், I'll tell you everything ஒரு டேபுலர் ஃபார்ம்ல நான் சொல்லுவேடா. இப்போ இந்த பாராபோலாக்கு கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்ட் என்ன, c is equal to a by m. Yes or no? Very good sir, very good. Now listen the class. Yes sir, இப்போ கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்சி இது சார், ஃபைன். இப்போ கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் சீக்கண்ட் வேணும்னு என்ன பண்ணணும், சேம் ப்ரொசீஜர்டா. இந்த d is equal to 0 பிளேஸ்ல நான் வந்து d greater than 0 பண்ணணும், அவ்வளவுதான். கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் லைன் வேணும்னா d less than 0 பண்ணணும். இப்போ இங்க இன்இக்வாலிட்டி வந்துரும், அவ்வளவுதான். அரே சென்னை vlog வந்துரும்டா, நீ படிடா பாபு. ஓகேவா சார்? when the session will get over within 10-15 minutes. ஒரு 10 to 15 minutesல session will get over. ஓகேவா? ஓகே, கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்சி முடிஞ்சிட்டா, இது ஆல்ரெடி முடிஞ்சிட்டா. ஓகே, next equation of a tangent in different forms. Okay, now I'm going to talk about equation of tangent in different forms. Guys, actually see, we will be talking about three different forms. The first one, point form, parametric form, and slope form. Okay va sir, point form na enna, parametric form na enna, slope form na enna. Okay, listen the class. நான் வந்து ஒரு சிம்பிளான மெத்தட் நான் சொல்லுவேடா பாரு. guys, இது வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், we always have to replace something பாரு, okay. So for example, இது ஒரு parabola பாரு, let me write in the next slide. Okay, point form. First one the point form. Point form எப்படி இருக்கும்னா பாரு, இது ஒரு parabola. ஓகேவா, இது ஒரு tangent. எந்த பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட tangent இருக்குன்னா, let's say this is some point called x1, y1. இந்த பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட ஒரு tangent இருக்கு. அந்த பாயிண்டோட நேம் என்ன? x1, y1. என்ன parabola இது? y² = 4ax. சரியா? பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and parabola equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா. இப்போ tangent equation வேணும்னா எப்பவுமே we can write like this. Okay, always replace with this da paru. You need to replace x² with xx1, y² with yy1. Okay va, x you replace with what? X plus x1 by 2. Y you replace with what? Y plus y1 by 2. I'm very tired as this end of the day, but how you are very energetic, sir. Being energetic is what the secret of the success. சரியா? Being energetic is very important. Okay va? Next pari. Whenever xy you get x into y1 plus y into x1 divided by 2. Okay va? Constant it should be written as, you should write it as constant. Sir, இப்போ tangent equation point formula mention பண்ணனும்னா x² you replace with xx1, y² with yy1, x replace with x plus x1 by 2, y with this, xy with this, and c with this. Constant will be constant only. Sir, இப்போ point form சொல்லுங்க சார். per y² = 4ax and given டா. இப்போ y பிளேஸ்ல சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன போட சொன்னார்டா? y into y1, 4 into 4a as it is. x பிளேஸ்ல என்ன போட சொன்னாரு? x plus x1 by 2. அவ்வளவுதான். எப்பவுமே not only for parabola, circle க்கு same logic, parabola க்கு same logic, ellipse க்கு same logic, hyperbola க்கு same logic. என்ன சாப்டர் பார்த்தாலும் எல்லாத்துலயுமே same logic டா. இப்போ 2 1s 2 2s. இங்க பாரு. Sir, y into y1 is equal to 2 times of a into x plus x1. This is what your tangent equation. This is what your tangent equation for parabola in point form. சரியா? ஓகேவா? சார் பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம் இது நல்லா இருக்கு. parametric form என்ன சார்? சேம் லாஜிக். parametric formனா பாரு, சேம் பாயிண்ட். ஓகேவா? இது parabola-டா. இது ஒரு parabola சார். parabola-க்கு இந்த tangent at some point, இந்த tangent at some point called p. p என்ன? 80² 280 is a 80² 280 is parametric form. Parametric point. Same parabola y² is equal to 4ax. ஓகேவா? we know that parametric point form என்னடா? we know that point form. Tangent in point form என்ன? Tangent in point form. Tangent in point form என்ன வந்துருச்சுடா? For previous slide என்னடா? y is equal to y1 is equal to 2a times of x plus x1. இப்போ x1, y1 place we need to put 80² 280. அவ்வளவுதான். 2 into a 82 square. சரியா? இது சால்வ் பண்ண நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? அவ்வளவு. just you can cancel 2a on both side. பாரு, cancel 2a cancel பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. sir, yt is equal to x plus 80 square. இதுதான் tangent equation in the parametric form. ஓகேவா? equation of tangent in parametric form. yt is equal to x plus 80 square. புரியுதா? okay sir, we can call this as a t is equal to 0 also sir. சும்மா tangent equation can be called as what? சும்மா t is equal to 0. பாரு, t is equal to 0. t means what? Basically பாரு, if you want to write that properly பாரு, everything you shift to one side. Okay, everything you shift to one side, what happens? You will be getting tangent equation. Everything one side means how do you write? Look at the board. 2a into x plus x1 minus y1 is equal to 0. So t part is this, is equal to 0. புரியுதா? yes or no guys? Tell me quick. Simple. சரியா? shall we go forward? okay sir, இந்த பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் கான்டாக்ட் தெரியுது சார். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா parametric form வந்துருச்சுடா. next point form என்ன next என்ன slope form sir. Slope form என்ன சுரேஷ் சார் என்ன சொன்னாரு பாரு. Condition of tangency we know already. Condition of tangency is useful for this parabola. Okay, இது என்ன பாயிண்ட்? பாயிண்ட் P என்ன 80 square comma 280. Okay, இது parametric form, but here slope of the tangent will be given to us. Slope of the tangent will be given to us, that is m. அப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் ஓட கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் என்ன ஆயிரும்டா? P point ஓட கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் should not be in terms of t, it should be in terms of m. எப்படி சார் பாரு sir, y is equal to mx plus c. C means what? A by m. What is this parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax parabola da. இந்த parabola condition of tangents என்ன சார் வந்துருச்சு? C is equal to a by m தான வந்துருச்சு. அந்த C is equal to a by m I am putting here. புரியுதா? C is equal to a by m I am putting here. So y is equal to mx plus a by m is the condition of equation of tangent in slope form. In the tangent or equation என்ன form da? Slope form la இது. Sir, for example, we know that now take point of contact. The point of contact na, how to find out point of contact? How to find out the point of contact? How to find out the point of contact? Tell me. Sir, we know that, listen to the class. For that we know that y is equal to mx plus a by m is a slope of the, equation of tangent is slope form. Now y is equal to, what we got here, tell me. Yt is equal to x plus at square. Okay, wow. So yt is equal to x plus at square. Compare these two da. Compare these two. Compare panna y coefficient enna paru. Y coefficient enna da? Y coefficient is 1 மேல கீழ என்ன t, கரெக்ட்டா? மேல என்ன m, கீழ என்ன 1, மேல என்னடா கான்ஸ்டன்ட் என்ன பேசிக்கலி a 1 by m by t square. What I am doing basically I am comparing the coefficients. Okay va? Y ஓட coefficient 1, கீழ என்ன t, proportionating that's it. X ஓட coefficient m, கீழ 1. இப்போ ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவேட் பண்ண என்ன வந்துருச்சு? இரண்டுமே ஈக்குவேட் பண்ண நம்மளுக்கு m வேல்யூ என்ன? You can equate any two. ஈக்குவேட்டிங் இது ரெண்டுடா. இது ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணாலும் ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். இது ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு m வேல்யூ என்னடா வந்துரும்? m வேல்யூ என்ன சொல்லு? m வேல்யூ என்ன? 1 by t. நம்மளுக்கு m வேல்யூ என்ன? m வேல்யூ 1 by t. m வேல்யூ 1 by t. இந்த m வேல்யூ 1 by t நான் வந்து இங்க போட்டுட்டு இருக்கேடா. அவ்வளவுதான். சாரி, t வேல்யூ ரைட்? t வேல்யூ எனக்கு வேணும். m வேல்யூ கிடையாது. t வேல்யூ என்னடா? 1 by m. t வேல்யூ என்ன? 1 by m. இந்த t வேல்யூ இங்க போடுற அவ்வளவுதான். t வேல்யூ இதுல போட்டு என்ன வரும்? 1 by m னா a by m square comma 2a by m. a by m square comma 2a by m is the point of contact. Okay, we didn't know this point, right? We didn't know this point. இந்த point எனக்கு தெரியலடா. இந்த point find out பண்றதுக்கு I took the help of these tangent equations and found t in terms of m. அந்த t value இதுல போட்டா நமக்கு point of contact வந்துருச்சுடா. Yes or no? Super sir. Sir, point formula point will be given sir. Parametric formula 80 square comma 280 இருக்கு sir. but slope formula இந்த point தெரியாது. இப்போ slope formula இந்த point எனக்கு தெரியாது. எப்படி சார் இந்த point எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இப்படி. t value I got in terms of m. அந்த t value இதுல தூக்கி போட்டா எனக்கு point of contact in terms of m வந்துருச்சு. Very good. Okay, ஒரு டேபிள் பாத்துக்கலாமா? This is super duper important table டா. ஓகேவா? இதடா super duper important table. Super duper important table. Stars you put, love symbol you put. ஓகேவா? ஜெண்டா கே வாவா you put. This is super duper important. ஓகேவா? Sir, what this slide suggesting us? What this slide is giving us? பாரு, equation of parabola and our point of contact. Okay, equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Everybody listen in the class. Equation of parabola this. Point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. Equation of tangent in slope form is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Equation of tangent is slope form but I am telling you. Slope form la equation of tangent is na. Okay, are you getting the point? Sir, equation of tangent is slope form. அப்போ condition of tangency obviously this the we know this. Condition of tangency for different parabolas rare. In the parabola point of contact என்ன ஆயிரும்? In the parabola point of contact a by m square minus a by m square comma minus 2a by m. Okay வா? அப்போ equation of tangent in what? A slope form என்னன்னா y is equal to mx minus a by m. C is equal to minus a by m. C is equal to minus a by m. Okay வா? Yes or no? Next x square is equal to 4a by parabola என்ன? 2am comma am square. 2am comma am square. இதுக்கு என்ன? Y is equal to mx minus am square. Condition of tangents என்ன? Minus am square. Be careful. Okay வா? X square is equal to minus 4ay. அப்போ minus 2am comma minus am square the point of contact. Equation of tangent is slope form என்ன? Y is equal to mx plus am square. பாரு. Be careful டரே. X square is equal to 4ay க்கு minus am square வந்துரும். இதுக்கு plus am square வந்துரும். பாரு. இப்போ எனக்கு c value, c condition of tangency தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனா equation of tangent in slope form easy or neat we can find out. Y is equal to mx plus c என்ன? a by m. Y is equal to mx minus a by m. C place la I'm putting condition of tangencies. பாரு. Y is equal to mx as it is. C place la இது போட்டா, C place la இது போட்டா, C place la இது போட்டா, C place la இது போட்டா condition of equation of tangents in slope form வந்துட்டுருச்சுடா. Yes or no? So these are the point of contacts. A by m square comma 2a by m. Same da babu, minus a by m square comma minus 2a by m. Okay வா? கீழ 2am comma இது minus 2am comma am square minus 2am comma minus am square. This is very very important table. Everybody should remember this. Any doubts? Till this any doubt? Till this any doubt ra Chintu? Okay. Yes. Okay guys, so we'll wind up the class here. Okay, we'll wind up the class here. Or we'll see one question and I'll end up otherwise. Okay, shall we do? ஒரு சின்ன question பார்த்துக்கலாமா? ஒரு சின்ன question பார்த்தா நம்மளுக்கு tangent equation எப்படி, equation of tangent in equation of tangent in different form use பண்ணி எப்படி எழுதணும்? We'll get an idea. Okay. ஒரு சின்ன question பார்த்துக்கலாம்டா. இது பாரு. Tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4x at the point where it intersects the circle this in the first quadrant passes through the point enna. Okay va? The tangent to the parabola this at the point where it intersects the circle. So point of intersection of the parabola and circle enna? First quadrant la solranga. Simple ready. So minus is missing in second equation. Where da? Minus missing in second equation. In the minus da? In the minus புரியலடா. Where it is missing, tell me. Where minus missing? Everything is correct only, please check. Okay. Sir, the tangent to the parabola this. Tangent to the parabola this. Tangent to the parabola this at the point where it intersects the circle in the first quadrant. This intersection of these two things are x square plus y square is equal to 5. Y square plus 4x podano. Okay va? X square plus 5x minus x minus 5. Sir, x is equal to minus 5 vandruda. And x is equal to what da? X is equal to 1 pari. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 5. Okay va? Check. They are saying first quadrant x cannot be negative. அப்போ இது accept பண்ணணும், இது reject பண்ணணும். கரெக்டா? Boxல வா. Minus missing in box. Where man you are saying? Minus missing in second equation. Here you mean, okay, x, okay. Here, x square is equal to minus 4x. Obviously, it's minus 4x only. Okay, well, minus 4x only. Yes, thank you for reminding. I got the point. So, இப்போ x value 1 na y value என்னடா வந்துரும்? X value 1 na y square is equal to 4 into 1. Y is equal to what? 2 da we should write. Minus 2 or plus 2? We should write plus 2 or minus 2. Minus 2 we should not take, plus 2 I should take. Because of the first quadrant. Yes or no? என்ன பாயிண்ட் வந்துருச்சுடா? Point of contact in the first quadrant. So, point of contact, point of intersection in first quadrant. What is that? 1, 2. So, tangent at 1, 2 we need to write. Tangent at 1, 2 to this parabola. So, what we should do? Replacement method. X will be replaced with x plus x1 by 2. So y into y1. Y1 means what? 2. 2 ones, 2 2s. 2 into x plus x1. So 2y is equal to 2 to cancel panikla. 2 to cancel panna y is equal to x plus 1 vandunoda. So tell me, this tangent equation passes through which point? Tell me. Substitute the points and verify. Which point will satisfy? Check. Passes through which point? Pari. Y is equal to x plus 1. இது வராது. Y is equal to 3 by 4 plus இது வராது. 5 by 4. I think this is the answer. Check C for Chintu is the right answer because 7 by 4 is equal to 7 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1. So 7 by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. So C for Chintu is the right answer. D varadu. Purida? Yes or no? C for Chintu varadu. A, B, D vandru. C varadu. Any doubts? Clear? Yes or no? Yes sir. So we have few more questions da. So you can do that. I'll give few questions as homework. Okay. So this is how we apply the questions da. So there is one more crazy question. Yes, this is a homework for you all. Try this. This is a homework for you all. Tangent drawn to the parabola this, perpendicular to the line this, which of the following point does not lie on it? Very simple question. This is homework. Okay, this is homework da. The one end of the chord of the parabola this is at this, then equation of tangent at Vienna. This is homework. Please try this. These are super questions. Okay. So next concept, point of intersection of tangents. Point of intersection of two tangents concept. On the next class la discuss panuveda nalaki. Okay va. Nalaki na discuss panuveda. Sariya. So that's it for today people. We'll meet you guys in the next class. Hope you understood everything. Everybody listen. மறக்காம சேனல் ஓட டெலிகிராம் குரூப் இன்னும் QR கோட் இதுடா. மறக்காம இந்த QR கோட் ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி சேனல் ஜாயின் பண்ணா you will be getting an access for the latest details da. So மறக்காம சேனல் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. Yes. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and share the content with your friends da. Okay va. So this is a small gift we could ever expect from my Chintus. Okay va. உனக்கு உனக்கு செஷன் புரிஞ்சிச்சுனா please smash out the like button. Please do share with your friends. Please do help them. Please be needful for them. So yes, thank you people. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, tada bye bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Love you all my dear Chintus. Va anna va.